flip like me. Can't Millie rock like me. Can't sexy walk like me. Can't hit the corner like me. Hey, but you can't drop like me. Can't hit the folks like me.
Hey guys, it's the A&A sisters. And today we're going to be making slime, but without borax.
Because borax is really bad for your lungs and people with bronchitis.
So, the materials you're going to need are...
You're going to need some glue,
some shampoo,
some baking soda. When you do the baking soda, you're also going to need water.
some cream,
You're going to need a bowl.
some shaving cream,
You're going to need some cornstarch. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of it.
a spoon to mix it with, and food coloring.
Which is optional.
Yeah.
So let's get started. So first what you're going to do is take your glue and pour the desired amount of glue you want. This will determine how much slime you will be making. Oops, wrong way. So I just want that much. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get your shaving foam out or cream, shake it a little bit. Oops. And then put in about the same amount of shaving foam as you did glue. And then just mix all of that together till it's properly mixed, and it should look somewhat like this. And then you're going to get your cornstarch out. We didn't have our tablespoon on hand with us, so we're just going to use a little bit of the spoon. For this, it's not really, doesn't really matter if it's exact measurements. Oh god, that's really, oh, I didn't even get any on there. I'll just take some of that off because that's a lot. I'll take about that much off and pour that in, and then continue on stirring. Till it is all properly mixed. Also try and get all the bits on the end. Sorry about this. It's making a big mess. That's why you probably want something underneath it. And then, once it's somewhat mixed well, it doesn't have to be perfect, then you're going to want to get your shampoo out and pour in just a little bit, about that much. About that much you're going to want to pour in, and then just stir that up. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to get your lotion and pour in a few pumps of that. I did 3 pumps. And then now mix that all together. So, now what you could do is add your food coloring.
Right there.
Oh, thank you. I did not see that. I'm going to be using red, which will probably turn out to be more of a pink. How am I going to do this? Take a little bit on my finger.
Won't hurt to get
Oh
messy.
god. Sorry about that. I went to go get a toothpick to get the food coloring on. There we go. Oh god. It's okay if I get a little bit in there. There you go. So now mix that up together. Again, the food coloring process is optional. If you wanted, you can also add sparkles or any other little accessory if you want right now at this point. Or you could even just leave it white. So you want to make sure that you have all of it mixed in nicely. and now I do. So now what I'm going to do is, I'll be back in one quick little second, is I'm going to get my water and my baking soda, and I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda to my water. So put it on your hand first. This is a good enough amount, and just put it into your water. I'm going to mix it with my finger, because it's just easier. And then pour in a little bit, just pour in a little. You don't even need a lot, and that was good enough. You don't really need to add any more than that. And now we're going to add our activator, which in this case is going to be contact lens solution. So put in a little bit of your activator and then mix that up, and it should immediately start clumping together, which mine is. You don't need too much activator because that will make your slime very hard, but not enough activator will make it very, very sticky. So you can add more activator when you see it is needed. As you can see, it's already clumping up together like slime. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to time lapse this, and we'll be back. As you can see, this is how it turned out after we started playing with it for a bit and mending it with our hands and getting dirty, as you can see. So as you can see, it's still a bit sticky. So if you don't want the stickiness anymore, there's two options. Our first option is adding more contact lens solution, or you can just keep playing with it if you like the consistency that it is right now, and then just keep playing with it, and eventually it will not be sticky. Or the last option is to add a little bit of baking soda, and I mean a little bit, because if you add too much, it'll become very stiff and very hard and not at all what you would want. So we'll be back once we do one of those three options and when it's not sticky anymore. So this was our end result. As you can see, it's not sticky anymore. It is super stretchy, very stretchy. What we did to make it not sticky anymore is we used the baking soda and then a little pinch of baking soda, and then what we did is we added some contact lens solution. So then we just kept playing with it like this and stretching it out and just like this, and kept making it into swirls, even though my swirls are really bad. And then, yeah, now it's not sticky anymore. So this was our end result. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video. And let's try and get this video to 20 likes.
And comment down below if you have any other video ideas you want us to do.
Bye!
Got another hit. Bitch can't whip like me, can't really rock like me, can't sexy walk like me, can't hit the corner like me. Ayy, bitch can't drop like me, can't hit the